I'm Bruno Brunetti. I'm professor of chemistry at the University of Perugia in Italy. I work in this field, heritage science, that is science applied to conservation and restoration from, I would say, 30 years. I started because it was an hobby, but then became a profession, yes. And I have been coordinator of European projects, 3 different European projects in the field of research infrastructure in Europe that have the goal to build up a research infrastructure for heritage science in the whole continent. So I am here also because I would like that in the next future Romania will join to IRIS, the planned European research infrastructure in heritage science that will be built starting from 2021 in Europe.
Okay, so hello, my name is Heike Winkelbauer. I'm an objects conservator and I work for the University in Vienna and for the Institute of Conservation and Restoration. And I came to Romania to this conference to meet colleagues and make new contacts, and I also thought that I have some experience in conservation which might be interested, so I'm giving a workshop. But most important was for me to make contacts, to meet people, and so I'm very excited, and I thought it was excellent qualities of papers. I think this is going to be a long-term relationship. It's so important to come together, all of the people who work in conservation, and to exchange all of the things you learn or ideas you have or why you do certain things that way, and kind of maybe sometimes even stir things up and open up a discussion about different options and methods, and that's how I learned. I traveled the world to learn from all sorts of different people, and Europe for me has no borders.
My name is Katarina Vizárová. I'm from Slovak University of Technology in Bratislava, and I work in conservation science more than 15 years in education and in research. And we have very good cooperation with our Romanian partner, namely with Elena Badea, with Lucrezia Miu, Cristina Karšote, with Astra Museum. This conference is very, very good for conservation praxis, for conservator, restorer, researcher, because we have here platform for international, interdisciplinary discussions, meeting, impulses for planning new research, and it is that what all people in conservation and restoration need.
So, my name is Tiňo. I'm from the same department as my colleague Katarina. I am active also in conservation science and technology and industry, from the research up to development of technology, like robotic technologies. We are happy to be here again, not just in Sibiu, but also in Romania. We took part in last year ETICCH, and 3 years ago also in Bucharest. So it's for us it's like fresh, energy to discuss with the people and to get some feedback on what we are doing and where are we going at. And this is as was already said, the perfect platform for bringing our results and our achievement from the research, from the science, to community which needs this, because we see that restorers nowadays are always looking for new, more efficient, better methods for restoration of those unique, valuable objects of cultural heritage.
Eu lucrez la Institutul de Fizică și Inginerie Nucleară din București, Măgurele, București. Și sunt aici nu pentru analize, ci pentru o altă ramură, hai să spunem așa, a științei patrimoniului, științelor patrimoniului, care se cheamă conservare, activități de conservare. Motivul pentru care am venit este că institutul și eu personal am contribuit substanțial la o carte. Prima carte care a apărut în acest domeniu, adică în conservarea utilizând radiații ionizante, și cartea asta a fost tradusă în limba română de către institut și oferită gratuit tuturor instituțiilor culturale care ar putea avea nevoie din țară. Muzee, biblioteci, biserici la limită. Al doilea motiv este că sunt un fan al muzeului și cred că e a 7-a oară, 8-a oară când vin aici și de fiecare dată îmi face mare plăcere să mă simt ca acasă, efectiv.